How to add payment method to Temu. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into your application Temu or head over to any of the web browser and then move into official website. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile icon at the top of the screen. You'll see the option of settings. Click on it. In this space, you have to select your payment methods right over here. Once you're in this space, click on add a credit or debit card. So in here, you will be able to add a credit or debit card. First of all, enter the card number. After that, enter the expiration date and also the CVV number. Once entered, add the billing address as well. Once you have entered all the information, tap on add your card. And then the card will be added. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.